combined make steam. The wind and earth can make the strongest quake. The best of us becomes a team. It'll only be too easy to say. Winner, winner.